How to customize lock screen notifications to show or hide content when unlocked on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, we scroll down and tap on Notifications. After that, we scroll down and in the list of apps here, open up an app that you would like to change. For example, Messages. Then scroll down to the bottom and in the lock screen appearance, tap on Show Previews. And from here, you can choose Never, Always, or When Unlocked. Now in this case, you can select When Unlocked. So if you receive notifications from the Messages app, if you select Never, then on the lock screen, it will never show the content of your notifications. However, if you choose When Unlocked, then when your lock screen is unlocked, it will show the content of the message. So let's take a look at an example. So here I will select Never, and I'll go back to my home screen. Okay, so now I receive a text message and on my lock screen here. So I'll close it, and you can see on my lock screen here it is unlocked. However, even though the lock screen has already been unlocked, I still cannot view the content of my message notifications. I need to actually open it to view the content. Here, if I go back into settings and then choose when unlocked, so this time I will say hello again. So I will send myself a text message. Okay, so tap on the send button, and shortly I should receive the text message. Now when the phone is locked, so you can see my lock screen, it is locked at the moment. And when it is locked, it does not show the content of the message. But if I look at the phone using my Face ID, the lock screen will become unlocked. And then I will be able to view my message content. So it only shows the content when the lock screen is unlocked. And if I want, I can tap on the text message to open up the text messages app. And that's it. You can apply that settings to other apps as well. So you can go back into notifications and then you can make changes for other apps such as FaceTime. So go down to show previews and then choose when unlocked. It will show the content of the notifications. Otherwise, you can choose never to hide it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.